Other than the fact it's liquor boy self-servicing actually, with that made of oil up the top. I'm pretty sure if I can get this camera to focus. Here, you want to hold the light here for me? Yeah, it's that black hose at the top above the bell housing, that little tiny one up there. Whoop, struggling to focus. Can I get it from this angle? Yeah, it's like right at the top. In the middle, that one. Oh, the exhaust is warm. It's that one. Right there at the back. Tiny short little hose, so it's just gay to get at.